At the coffee shop.
Hello. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Do you want milk?
Yes, a little.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
3 pounds.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Oh, wait. Can I also have a croissant?
Yes, of course. 1 croissant,
How much more?
2 pounds.
Okay, here's the money.
Thank you. Do you want it warm?
Yes, please. Warm is better.
1 moment. Here you are.
It smells so good.
Fresh this morning.
I love fresh bread.
Yes, me too.
Do many people come here?
Yes. In the morning it is busy.
I see. I will come again.
You are welcome anytime.
Thank you very much.
At the bus stop.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, number 25 goes there.
Thank you. Do you know how long it takes?
About 20 minutes.
That's good. Do I need cash for the ticket?
No, you can use a card.
Great, I have my card.
Here comes the bus now.
Perfect timing.
Let's get on.
Oh, is it crowded?
Sometimes in the morning, yes.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I take it to work.
That's nice. Do you like the city center?
Yes, many shops and cafes.
Good, I want to visit later.
You will enjoy it.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. It's easy once you know.
Yes, now I know.
At the supermarket.
Do we need bread?
Yes, and also milk.
Okay, let's get a basket.
Look, apples are on sale.
How much are they?
2 pounds for a bag.
Let's buy one.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Okay. Let's go to the cashier.
Oh, wait, we need rice.
Yes, I almost forgot.
Which one do you like?
This one, the small bag.
Okay, I will take it.
Do you want eggs too?
Yes, 6 eggs are enough.
Good. Do we need cheese?
Not today, maybe next time.
Okay, let's pay.
Yes, let's go to the cashier.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No, 5 minutes on foot.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is there a bus too?
Yes. Number 10 goes there.
Okay, I will walk.
Good idea.
Is it near the park?
Yes, the park is next to the station.
That's helpful.
Do you have a map?
Just my phone.
That works.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the clothing store.
Do you like this shirt?
Yes, it looks nice.
What size is it?
Medium.
Should I try it on?
Yes. The fitting room is over there.
Okay, I'll try.
How is it?
It fits well.
Then buy it.
How much is it?
20 pounds.
Not too bad.
Do you want another color?
Yes, maybe blue.
Here is blue.
I like this one too.
Try it on.
Okay, I will. Looks good as well.
Hard to choose.
Buy both.
Maybe, yes.
At the restaurant.
Hello. Can we have a table for two?
Yes, this way, please.
Thank you. Can I see the menu?
Here you are.
What do you want to eat?
I want pasta.
I will have chicken.
And to drink?
Water for me.
Orange juice for me.
This place is nice.
Yes. Very cozy.
How's your pasta?
Very good. And your chicken?
Tasty. I like it.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe ice cream.
Yes. Let's share.
Good idea. One ice cream, please.
Perfect dinner.
Yes, I am happy.